Hello, beautiful souls, and welcome back. Today, we're exploring a powerful layer of numerology, your birthday number. The exact day you were born carries a specific energetic imprint. It represents a natural strength that lives within you. This number reveals how you instinctively respond to life. It shows the quality you rely on when challenges appear. It highlights a talent that feels effortless to you, yet often stands out to others. This is not about prediction, it is about awareness. Your birthday number is the calendar day of the month you were born, from the 1st to the 31st. In numerology, we work with the core vibration of that day. If your birthday is a double digit, such as 14 or 23, the energy can also be reduced to a single digit to understand its foundational frequency. Today we'll focus on the core energies from 1 through 9. As you listen, notice what resonates within you. Your strength may already be active in your life, or it may be something you are only beginning to recognize consciously. Let's move through the numbers together. If you were born on a day that carries the vibration of number 1, your hidden strength is leadership. This is the energy of initiative. You are designed to move forward. You naturally step into action. In moments of pressure, you don't freeze, you begin. You initiate conversations, decisions, or change. Your challenge may be impatience, but your gift is courage and independence. If your birthday number resonates with 2, your hidden strength is emotional intelligence. You sense subtle shifts in energy. You read between the lines. You understand what others feel, sometimes before they express it. During conflict or uncertainty, you look for balance. You instinctively create harmony. Your sensitivity is perceptive awareness. Your strength is connection. If you carry the vibration of 3, your strength is expression. You process life through creativity, communication, and inspiration. In heavy moments, you bring light through words, ideas, humor, or artistic expression. You help others see possibility. Your challenge can be scattered focus, yet your gift is uplifting energy. If your birthday number is 4, your hidden strength is stability. You are structured, reliable, grounded. When situations become chaotic, you organize. You create order where others feel overwhelmed. 4 builds foundations that endure. Your challenge may involve rigidity, yet your power lies in endurance and consistency. If your number resonates with 5, your strength is adaptability. You are wired for movement and change. In unpredictable situations, you adjust quickly. You explore alternatives. You discover new paths. 5 energy thrives in transformation. Your challenge may be restlessness, while your gift is flexibility and courage to experience life fully. If your birthday number carries the vibration of 6, your hidden strength is heart-centered responsibility. You care deeply about people. You feel naturally protective. In emotional situations, you become the one who supports, reassures, and stabilizes relationships. 6 energy strengthens bonds. Your challenge may involve giving too much of yourself, yet your gift is loyalty and compassion. If you were born under the vibration of 7, your strength is inner wisdom. You are reflective and analytical. You seek understanding beneath the surface. When life becomes complex, you step back to observe and think. You search for truth. 7 carries spiritual awareness and depth. Your challenge may involve isolation, while your power lies in insight and clarity. If your birthday number resonates with 8, your hidden strength is personal power. You understand structure in the material world. You recognize strategy, strength, and resilience. In demanding situations, you become focused and solution-oriented. You take responsibility. 8 energy builds results. Your challenge may involve intensity, yet your gift is leadership in tangible reality. If your number reduces to 9, your strength is compassion and emotional maturity. You perceive the bigger picture. You understand human complexity. In emotional moments, you become the wise presence. You see endings as part of growth. 9 carries depth of heart and perspective. Your challenge may involve holding on to the past, while your strength lies in forgiveness and understanding. Here is something important to remember. Your birthday number often becomes most visible during pressure. It activates instinctively. In moments of uncertainty, your natural energy rises to the surface. The leader initiates. The harmonizer connects, the communicator inspires, the builder stabilizes, the explorer adapts, the caregiver supports, the thinker reflects, the strategist organizes, the humanitarian understands. This response feels automatic because it is aligned with your energetic design. People around you may notice this quality clearly. They might say, "You handle things so well. You always know what to say. You stay calm when it matters. You're incredibly strong." That recognition reflects your birthday energy in action. The deeper layer of this teaching is awareness. Your natural strength feels ordinary to you because it flows easily. What is effortless can appear simple from the inside. Yet to others, it is powerful. When you consciously recognize your birthday number's strength, something shifts. You begin using it intentionally. You trust your instinct more deeply. You stop doubting the qualities that come naturally. Numerology offers insight into your patterns, and patterns reveal your internal architecture. When you understand your own energetic design, you align with it instead of resisting it. So take a moment to reflect. What is your birthday number? Do you see this strength active in your life? Have others reflected this quality back to you? Awareness transforms instinct into wisdom. And if your birthday number is 11, 22, or 33, it carries what numerology calls a master vibration. These numbers operate with amplified intensity and deeper responsibility. We'll explore their unique strengths and challenges in a dedicated video very soon. If you would like to explore your full numerology profile, including how your birthday number interacts with your life path and other core numbers, you can reach out through the email in the description for a personal reading. And if this reflection resonated with you, subscribe for daily and weekly insights here on the channel. Your numbers carry meaning, they reveal structure within your experience, and they illuminate strengths that have always been there. Thank you for being here. Tell me in the comments, what is your birthday number?